So let's start with the first mistake that I want to talk about, and that's delaying or choosing a wrong health insurance. Why is this important? In Germany, health insurance are mandatory, like in a lot of other European countries, but they are mandatory from day one. Uh, you cannot just say, I will get it later. No. When you arrive and in the first days of arriving to Germany, you should get your insurance ready. That's a little bit different for European citizens because at the end, our European card covers you for emergency. But in any case, by law, theoretically, even the European citizens and expats who are arriving to Germany should contract an insurance as soon as possible. Many experts choose the wrong plan, and that's kind of a common mistake because there is these two kind of systems, the public and the private, and you need to understand what is the correct choice for you, because some situations might lead you to take a public insurance, while in other cases you would go with the private one. And the wrong insurance can lead to limited treatment, higher costs, and even at the end can have an affection on your visa or permit compliance. Another common thing is that you end paying much more taxes because the insurance that you choose, it's not really adequate for the income that you are having. I know, for example, an expat who assumed that the best way to proceed was going with a public insurance because it's what majority of their friends were doing at that moment. And only later he realized that because he had a higher income than the people that he talked with, private insurance was much better on the long term, especially tax wise, and it was offering much more for the price value for what he was paying, let's say like this. And I remember this case because it was a nightmare. Although he achieved to change, it was kind of a long process to switch from the public to a private insurance. So now the important part, how to avoid that.